Meaning of globule.
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 Globule. The term globule refers to a small spherical or droplet-shaped particle. This tiny, rounded entity can be made up of various substances, such as liquids, gases, or even solid particles like dust. The word can also describe a small globular mass, such as in the case of a globule of fat in milk. In essence, the term globule is used to indicate a small, rounded entity of some kind. The use of this word can help to describe and explain the properties and characteristics of various substances in scientific and technical fields.